Our overall outage percentage that we've restored is at 91%, which is wonderful. And that's because of the co-ops that have jumped in and helped us. Some of the poles were so destroyed that we actually had to use GPS systems just to find the location of where they were originally. So those are some of the things that we faced. Now with Beta coming through yesterday, that produced about 5 inches of rain on top of the other parts that were already damaged. So that held us back a little bit in restoration. We are so blessed that we've had the teams from other co-ops, from other states. They jumped in here and they know what it's like to go through a process like this. So it's really helped our co-op.
You know, working for the co-op, when I first started, I got a chance to go down there, and you know, I was a kid and I didn't really understand things as far as, you know, what we were going down to do. I knew we were going to help people get the lights back on, but as I've gotten older, and that brotherhood that we call linemen, it means more now, and going down there helping those linemen get their members back on, that's really it. I mean, I'm going down there to help families get their lights back on.
I enjoy getting people's power back on. That's something that I kind of take a liking to, especially in outage situations. You just see the relief and the joy in people's eyes, and I mean, I'd say it's something that you've got to have a knack for, but it's enjoyable getting people's power back on. I think it's a good opportunity for co-ops to go and help co-ops as part of one of our 7 principles. But without effort from other co-ops, I mean, these people could be out for 2, 3, possibly 4 months. You know, if it was that one entity trying to get it all on themselves, you know, there'll be people from all over Texas and several other states there to assist them.